A computer PSU provides stable power, protects components, and ensures efficient, reliable system operation. My today's video is about top 5 best computer power supply unit that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Seasonic Computer Power Supply Unit. This ATX 3.1/PCIe 5.1 ready power supply is built for next-generation performance and reliability. Equipped with a native 12V-2x6 connector, it fully supports the latest high-powered graphics cards, including NVIDIA RTX 5080 and AMD RX 9000 series, making it an excellent choice for modern gaming and high-performance PC builds. With 80+ Gold and Cybernetics Platinum certifications, this PSU delivers outstanding energy efficiency, reducing power waste while maintaining stable and consistent output. The advanced OptiSync design enhances heat dissipation, ensuring better thermal performance and long-term durability under heavy workloads. Cooling is handled by a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing (FDB) fan with hybrid fan control, allowing silent operation during low loads and efficient cooling when the system is under pressure. This smart balance between performance and noise makes it ideal for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who demand both power and quiet operation. Overall, it's a future-ready, efficient, and dependable power supply for high-end PC systems. Now our second product is Cooler Master Computer Power Supply Unit. The MWE Gold V3 power supply sets a strong standard for durability and next-generation compatibility, now upgraded with full ATX 3.1 support. Built to handle modern high-performance systems, it delivers reliable and stable power for demanding gaming PCs and workstations. One of its standout features is the 90° 12V-2x6 PCIe 5.1 connector, designed for improved cable management, electrical durability, and enhanced safety. With ATX 3.1 cables capable of delivering up to 600 W directly to your GPU, it's fully prepared for the latest generation graphics cards. Thermal performance is equally impressive. The hexagonal fan cover allows up to 80% increased airflow intake, while the dedicated heatsink ensures efficient heat dissipation during heavy workloads. This smart cooling design helps maintain stable performance and extends component lifespan. With 80+ Gold efficiency offering up to 90% power conversion efficiency, the MWE Gold V3 minimizes energy waste and reduces heat output. Overall, it's a dependable, efficient, and future-ready PSU for serious PC builders. Our third product is MSI Computer Power Supply Unit. This 80+ Gold certified power supply delivers excellent efficiency and long-term reliability for modern PC builds. With high energy conversion efficiency, it reduces power loss and heat output, helping your system run cooler and more efficiently under load. It's an ideal choice for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand stable and consistent performance. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, this PSU offers strong assurance of durability and dependable operation over time. The long warranty period reflects the manufacturer's confidence in its build quality and internal components. The fully modular design makes installation clean and simple, allowing you to connect only the cables you need. This improves airflow inside the case and helps maintain a neat, organized build. With full support for ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, it's ready for next-generation hardware, including the latest high-performance GPUs. Overall, this power supply combines efficiency, flexibility, and future-ready compatibility in one reliable package. Now number 4, Be Quiet. Computer Power Supply Unit. The Dark Power 14100W is a flagship power supply built for uncompromising high-end systems. Certified with both 80+ titanium and cybernetics titanium, it reaches up to 95.42% efficiency, reducing power consumption while keeping your system cooler and quieter. As an ATX 3.1 PSU, it features dual native 12V-2x6 connectors for next-generation PCIe 5.1 GPUs, along with 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors for current graphics cards, making it exceptionally versatile. Cooling is handled by a premium Silent Wings fan integrated directly into a large heatsink. Users can switch between active cooling and semi-passive mode, with a smart post-ventilation feature to prevent frequent fan starts. Designed for enthusiasts, it supports both multi-rail and single-rail modes for enhanced overclocking control. Advanced active rectifier and full bridge LLC technology ensure superior efficiency, voltage regulation, and low ripple noise. Built with 105° C-rated Japanese capacitors and fully modular sleeved cables up to 120 cm, the Dark Power 1411200W delivers outstanding stability, longevity, and clean cable management for premium PC builds. And our last choice is Lian Li Computer Power Supply Unit. The EG1200G is a powerful and versatile PSU designed for modern high-performance systems. One of its standout features is the integrated Edge USB/fan hub module, supporting up to 4 devices and 8 downstream connections, ideal for RGB controllers and advanced setups. With 6 4-pin fan connectors rated at 2A each, it delivers strong and stable cooling support while remaining compatible with virtually any case, PSU, or motherboard. Built for NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 and 40 series graphics cards, it includes a 12V-2x6 connector and dual 8-pin to 12V HPWR connectors for broader GPU compatibility. As an ATX 3.1 compliant power supply, it ensures stable power delivery and enhanced resistance to transient spikes, fully supporting PCIe 5.1 technology. Certified with 80+ Gold and Cybernetics Gold, the EG1200G provides high efficiency with low noise output. A magnetic dust filter mesh allows easy cleaning while maintaining airflow and quiet fan performance. Overall, it's a future-ready, efficient, and feature-rich PSU. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.